The strength and destructive power of a hurricane, also known as a cyclone or typhoon, is measured on the Saffir-Simpson wind scale. It rates hurricanes from 1 to 5 according to maximum sustained wind force and potential damage. At the lowest level on the scale, Category 1 winds blow at 119 to 153 km an hour, damaging some homes, trees and power lines. Below this threshold, the phenomenon is rated as a tropical storm. Category 2 storms produce sustained winds lasting at least a minute of 154 to 177 km an hour, damaging buildings and causing severe power outages. Those reaching Category 3 and above are considered major hurricanes because of their potential to cause significant loss of life, devastation and flooding near coastal areas. Category 4 hurricane winds blow at speeds of 209 to 251 km an hour, causing catastrophic damage and prompting the evacuation of areas up to 10 km from the coast. Many residential areas are uninhabitable for weeks or months. Category 5 storms are the most powerful, with sustained winds of 252 km an hour or higher, capable of inflicting lasting devastation on infrastructure and residential areas. Up to 16 km from the coast are evacuated.